If you're looking to use LeadPages for B2B lead generation, you're in the right place. Stick around because we'll dive into how this tool can help you grow your business. Plus, I'll be sharing some important insights on alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your needs. Let's get started. LeadPages is a great tool for creating landing pages, but when it comes to B2B lead generation, it's crucial to dig into its features. First thing you'll notice is how easy it is to build high-converting landing pages without needing any coding skills. The drag-and-drop interface allows you to design pages that not only look professional, but also guide your visitors smoothly to take action. This is key in B2B, where you need clear, concise pages that drive conversions. Next thing to consider is the variety of templates LeadPages offers. It has templates designed specifically for lead generation, making it quick to launch. You can customize these templates to fit your brand and goals. But while this sounds great, it's important to note that the templates are somewhat limited compared to other competitors. In fact, if you're looking for something truly unique, you might find yourself stuck with a more generic look unless you put extra work into customization. The third thing is LeadPages integration with email marketing platforms. It integrates with services like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and even more specialized B2B tools. This is fantastic because it allows you to seamlessly move captured leads directly into your email list for follow-up. However, this integration is sometimes a bit clunky, and you might run into issues with syncing your leads correctly across platforms. You'll need to test and double-check that everything's connecting properly to avoid missing out on leads. Now, the fourth thing to know is about its conversion tracking. LeadPages provides decent analytics, giving you insight into how well your pages are performing. You can track the conversions from your landing pages, see which elements are working, and tweak things accordingly. But the analytics aren't as deep as what you'd find in more specialized B2B lead generation platforms, which can limit the strategic insights you get from your campaigns. The fifth point I want to mention is the pricing. LeadPages is affordable for small businesses, but can get pricey as you scale, especially if you need advanced features like A/B testing or more advanced integrations. It's important to weigh this against what you're getting, especially since there are cheaper alternatives out there that offer similar features for a lower price point. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While LeadPages can be a great option for some B2B needs, I recommend looking into some alternatives that might better align with your business goals. You'll want to check out platforms that specialize in B2B lead generation, offering better tools for targeting your ideal clients, deeper analytics, and more customization options. These platforms not only help you generate leads, but also ensure you're bringing in high-quality ones that convert. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to LeadPages, but also access to some of these better alternatives that I believe will give you even more power in your B2B lead generation efforts. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can explore them without any commitment. If you're serious about taking your B2B lead generation to the next level, make sure to use our link for the best deals and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Check it out in the description, and don't miss out on this opportunity to test these tools risk-free.